Hands-on English, an English language development program created by teachers for teachers. Inside Outside is an oral language practice routine that is fast-paced and engages students with the vocabulary and sentences from the chapter.
You, young man, just sit right here on the outside and have a seat. Perfect. How about you, buddy? Right over here. And you're perfect right where you are. You can sit right there, get in front of him, and then face him, like knee to knee. And you, young lady, are with her. And you're going to get a different partner after every little turn here, so you're not stuck with your knee partner. All right, we got inside, outside circle.
The first time you do this routine, form 2 circles using tape. Arrange students in the circles facing each other such that each student has a partner.
I'm going to let the inside circle be the ones that move. Each of you are going to get a card. What is this?
It's a hippo.
That was pretty good. Ask me now, yours.
What is this?
Elephant.
You didn't say this is a...
Caught me. I didn't say it in a sentence. All right, say hi to your partner and ask them, what is this?
You cheated. I know yours. What is that?
We got to take turns. That's the art of conversation. When we talk, one person talks first and then the other person listens. How about if we just let the outside circle go first? Is that cool?
Yeah.
So outside goes first and they're going to ask, what is this? Ready, go.
What is this? That is tell me the yellow penguin. What is this? This is a...
Big,
Ball.
big.
Ball.
Since the outside circle went first, the inside circle is going to move. You go in the center first. Perfect. I love it. And you scoot over. You scoot over there. And then the middle pops back in. Ready, go.
What is this? This is a penguin. What is this?
I like how you said it in a sentence and you caught yourself. Now you ask her.
What is this?
When I say short, you say tall. Short.
Tall.
Short.
Tall.
Guess what? I'm going to put you back in the middle. And let's scoot over like a clock. Ready, scoot. You have a new partner. All right, the outside circle is going first. They're asking, what is this? If you know more about the animal, you can say more about it. You can describe it more. Ready, go.
What is this? This is a chicken. What is this?
To learn more about the Hands-on English program for kindergarten and first grade newcomers and beginners, go to the website or call us at 800-321-4332.